Hey, what's up guys? So today I will show you how to archive and unarchive posts in Instagram. So let's start. So first let's open up Instagram. Now go to your profile and choose a post that you want to archive. So let's go with the first picture here. Tap on the three dots on the upper right corner of your screen and tap on archive. Now this post will be archived and will be removed from your profile. To recover a post from the archive, go to your profile and tap on the three lines on the upper right corner of your screen. And then tap on archive. This will open your archives folder and you will see in here all the posts that you archived. Now choose the post that you want to restore and tap on the three dots on the upper right corner. Now tap on Show on Profile. And there you have it. Your post is back to your profile. So I hope this is helpful, guys. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.